Question number 1. What is the writing style of the author? First, persuasive. Second, rambling. Third, technical. Fourth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, rambling. Question number 2. The story Ranga's marriage is set in a village of first, Madurai, second, Bangalore, third, Mysore, fourth, Bhubaneswar. The correct answer is third, Mysore. Question number 3. What is the name of the narrator's village? First, Hausali, second, Panchavali, third, Hadinaru, fourth, none of the above. The correct answer is 1, Hausali. Question number 4. How does the narrator speak of his villagers? First, possessively, second, vividly, third, inadequately, fourth, both A and C. The correct answer is third, inadequately. Question number 5. What does the narrator mention as a priceless commodity? First, to his native language. Second, to mangoes of his village. Third, to flowers of his village. Fourth, to English language. The correct answer is fourth, to English language. Question number 6. Who was Ranga? First, the narrator's son. Second, the accountant's son. Third, the doctor's son. Fourth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, the accountant's son. Question number 7. Why was Ranga's homecoming a big event? First, because he brought gifts for everyone. Second, because he was new in the village. Third, because he returned from Bangalore after studying there for 6 months. Fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is third, because he returned from Bangalore after studying there for 6 months. Question number 8. What sort of intentions does the narrator seems to have towards Ranga? First, he is mean. Second, he feels responsible for his marriage. Third, he is manipulative. Fourth, he feels pitiful. The correct answer is he feels responsible for his marriage. Question number 9. After knowing that Ranga was the same, the crowd was first melted away, second happy, third angry, fourth irritated. The correct answer is melted away. Question number 10. How does the narrator speak of Ranga's character? First, poorly, second, highly, third, manipulatively, fourth, does not speak of his character. The correct answer is third, manipulatively. Question number 11. As for his namaskar to me, he did not do it like any present day boy. What does it tell about Ranga? First, he was well mannered. Second, he was disrespectful. Third, he was forgetful. Fourth, he changed his caste. The correct answer is he was well mannered. Question number 12. What was Ranga's initial take on marriage? First, he wanted to marry immediately. Second, he wanted to marry a girl chosen by his parents. Third, he wanted to remain a bachelor. Fourth, he wanted an arranged marriage. The correct answer is the third, he wanted to remain a bachelor. Number 13. According to Ranga, what type of girl should one marry? First, mature. Second, admirable. Third, both A and B. Fourth, not mentioned in the story. The correct answer is third, both A and B. Question number 14. According to the narrator, who would make a suitable bride for Ranga? First, narrator's own daughter. Second, Rama Rao's niece. Third, narrator's niece. Fourth, Rama Rao's daughter. The correct answer is Rama Rao niece. Question number 15. How does the narrator describe Ratna? First, pretty girl of 11. Second, from a big town. Third, disrespectful. Fourth, both A and B. Correct answer is fourth, A and B. Question number 16. When Rangas reached the narrator's house, Ratna was first sitting, second painting, third singing, fourth waiting. The correct answer is third singing. Question number 17. Ranga was about Ratna, first curious, second uninterested, third envious, fourth annoyed. The correct answer is curious. Question number 18. She was married a year ago. Hearing this, Ranga was first thrilling, second disappointed, third unconcerned, fourth surprised. The correct answer is second disappointed. Question number 19. There is greater truth in that Shastra than we imagine. Who said this? First Shyama, second Shastri, third Ratna, fourth Ranga. The correct answer is fourth Ranga. Question number 20. Why was it not important to know Ranga's star? First, because Shastri already knew. Second, because Shastri was taught beforehand by the narrator. Third, because Shastri was not well versed. Fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is second, because Shastri was taught beforehand by the narrator.